Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Odette in this pink dress from the Barbie of Swan Lake and Dress to Impress. Okay guys, let's get into it. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to change the toggle to back. Okay, you can choose the toggle back and then you're going to remove the flower and you can apply this color to the hair. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to select the sleeves and I'm going to make it pink color. Wait, I'm going to show you the color code. Okay, you can apply this color. Okay, and then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, the next one guys, you can choose this sleeves. Okay, and you're going to make it glitter. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area and we're going to select this skirt. Select this skirt only and you're going to change the material to glitter. Just make them all glitter and then you're going to apply the same pink color. This one for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this skirt right here and we're going to make it pink. Just apply the same pink color and you're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, make it glitter like this guys. Alright, and then I'm going to move. Okay, I'm going to go to the skirt area. It's right here. And then I'm going to choose the skirt and I'm going to make it pink color. Okay, just apply the same pink color. Okay, this is for the color code guys. Okay, and again we're going to make it glitter. Alright, and the next one we're going to move to the changing room and we're going to choose a Madoka set. Okay, and I'm going to go to this menu and select this top from Madoka set and we're going to remove the undershirt, remove the details, and remove the lace, and I'm just going to leave the gem. Okay, and for this one I'm going to color it with this pink color for the first selection, and for the next selection just leave it like that, and I'm going to make it glitter for all the selections. Okay, and again sorry for my glitter guys because sometimes it's not working, but if the glitter can appear it will be so beautiful. Okay, it's done guys, and the last one we're going to put on crown from the VIP room, but if you don't have VIP you can replace it with another accessory. Okay, for the crown I'm just going to choose this one. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!